Audio Jungle.
This is you. Or maybe this one is you. Or maybe you are here. Here.
Audio Jungle.
Or here. You, me, and everyone else is everywhere. But do you know what is that one thing common between so many of us? Which is pushing all of us to break our limits. Our brain. But do you know how much your brain loves you? If not, or maybe even if you do, it's definitely time to return the favor. Wondering how? It's very simple. By using it in the direction which is best suited for you. With the help of Brain Behavior Research Foundation of India and its unique scientific method called the 4D brain analysis, comprising of brain mapping, DNA mapping, biological mapping, and psychological mapping, you can find the best suited path, career, or stream for you. The first and the foremost test in the 4D brain analysis is brain mapping, and this process takes 30 minutes. Yep, that's how it looks like when we do it with EEG. It can be done in two ways. First, with the EEG, and second, with fMRI. F stands for functional, and you've heard about MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Brain mapping measures the different frequencies of electrical activity that are generated from the brain. Its outcomes, you ask? Well, brain mapping depicts dominant waves in your brain. It enables us to see your unique pattern of mental strengths and weaknesses. That is, areas of the brain where there is too little or too much activity, and areas that could not coordinate their activity in the best way in which they can.
Audio Jungle.
Then comes the second test, DNA mapping, and it takes 20 minutes. Yes, that's how the structure of DNA looks like. Here at BBRFI, we do it by taking a buccal swab sample. That's easy. Once the samples are tested, the results depict your genetic IQ, as 50% of your IQ is inheritable. Also, it detects these levels of depression, bipolar syndrome, schizophrenia as early as 20 years before a person actually suffers from it. The third test involved in the process of 4D brain analysis is that of biological mapping. It will take 25 minutes to do that. It shows your aptitude level, lobe orientation, brain dominant quotient, learning style, and mind-body coordination. The last test is psychological mapping, and it takes 30 minutes. It helps in understanding the present potentials and psyche of a person. Here at the Brain Behavior Research Foundation of India, we have specially designed tests, say questionnaires, to know that. After assessing these tests through a particular method, the results reveal your personality type and your motivation level. There are two types of personalities, extrovert and introvert, and each personality is a composition of two. Now that you have learned everything to help your brain, it's time to put on a smile. A big, happy smile. But just in case you still have a few doubts, or maybe you are more curious than ever, you can check us out at www.bbrfi.org, or maybe come hit the road and say a hi to us.